Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to view Figma files online. Here you can go and type Figma. So this is a great platform, you can design anything. Now I can open this website, and after that here we need to create a free account. So just you can log in with your Google account. Let me select it. And then allow access. Click here continue button. Now here you can see I have logged in into Figma platform. So here you can add your name. Just let me add a random detail. Then select any of the option from here. Then click continue button. After that here you can select the different packages. So I want to select this one, free package. Then skip. Now here you can see this one, draft option. Simply you need to click here. Here you can find out different type of files. So on the top these are the different options. Just you can click on import button. Then after that here you can easily select the file. So let me go here and select my file, this one. Within a couple of seconds here you can see file is ready. Now the next step is we need to open this file. Okay, that's done. Then click on the file, double click. Now design is loading. Okay, here you can see design is open. Now you can zoom in. Just you can type a value. For example, let me type 35. Here you can see zoom in, zoom out. Now you can select anything on this page that you want to export, and then if you want to export it, then on the right side scroll down, then click export. Here you can preview your file before exporting. Here you can see we need to select this one also. And then right click, then group selection, then export, then scroll down. Here you can see now we are exporting in a group. Then click this button. So that's done. In this way you can easily import files and export assets in Figma.